Kennedy, can you bring them over here, please? Hi. I don't think you can fit more than one on your neck. Now you're super tangled. Are you going shopping? Come here. You look all ready. You've got your bags. Oh, silly mom. What does she know? Kennedy. Yeah. I know your stuff. Yes. Let's get you untangled. Good. Nope, off. Good girl.